In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check your N8n version quickly and effortlessly. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned user, knowing which version you're working on is crucial for understanding compatibility, troubleshooting issues, and taking advantage of the latest features. So, let's get started on this simple yet essential task. First, you'll want to open your web browser. This step is fundamental as it sets the stage for accessing everything you need online, including the N8n platform. Accessing through a reliable browser will ensure you have a smooth and uninterrupted experience. With your browser open, head over to the official N8n website. By visiting the official site, you're ensuring the information you access is both accurate and up to date. It's always a good idea to bookmark these kinds of resources for ease of access in the future. Once you're on the N8n website, the next thing you'll need to do is locate the Sign In button. Typically, you'll find this somewhere at the top right corner of the web page. Clicking on this button will prompt you to enter your credentials, allowing you to access your personal account and the N8n admin panel. With your credentials entered, you'll need to navigate to the N8n admin panel. This panel is your gateway to controlling various settings and functionalities within your account, providing you with the ability to configure and understand the system better. Upon successful login, you'll be greeted with the dashboard. From here, the route to finding out your current N8n version is pretty straightforward. Look for the settings icon. It might resemble a gear or a cogwheel and is generally easy to spot. Clicking this icon will guide you to several configuration options, but we're particularly interested in the section labeled Workspace. Once in the workspace, you'll readily see the N8n version displayed. This part is what you're ultimately after, as it reveals the specific version you're currently utilizing. Keeping an eye on this is crucial for ensuring that your workflows are running on the most reliable and efficient version available. In addition, there's a handy feature that allows you to explore the drop-down menu next to the version number. Clicking on this drop-down will reveal both the latest beta version and the latest stable version that have been released. This is particularly useful if you're contemplating an update or just curious to see what new features might be available in the beta version. Remember, while beta versions can offer sneak peeks into future enhancements, stable versions are recommended for consistent performance. Following these steps, you can effortlessly keep track of your N8n version, ensuring you're always in the loop with the latest updates. Keeping your software up to date helps you leverage new features and improve security, resulting in a smoother, more efficient workflow. Thanks for watching, and happy automating!